So next we're gonna install the CPU heatsink, which is the fan, this big old colorful deal, which is gonna be very tough to fit, but we normally make it happen. We get these little pieces which are standoffs for the motherboard, which allows you to connect this bracket. So we want to get those. Oh my bad. Oh my god. What was I thinking? I'm gonna put the bracket on first. Oh, you'd be so upset. Here is the part I hate the most. Just gonna press that on in there like so. I like to go opposite corner to opposite corner. Don't do it. Don't do it. Okay, that is two. Got two locked down, and this actually applies the pressure to hold the CPU in place because it takes a lot of pressure. This is the part where many people get discouraged and feel like they're gonna break something or tear something down, and they start crying. They be like, I don't want to do this anymore. But as I said, some of this is really, really fun. Some of this is tedious like this, but it's all worth it in the end. We have our bracket and standoffs in place. Let's put these young screws down in there so this holds, creates that pressure. As you see, I currently have not had to use a single tool as of yet. We will need a Phillips screwdriver. Right, there we go. And voila. So, now, is subject to what position your CPU fan header, which is here, is. This is what allows you to get power for your CPU fan. I don't like this, but we'll do it. Oh, CPU fans suck, guys. I'm telling you. Get some nerve sometimes. But this does help with cable management by placing it on that side. And now for the very loop. Dang. It's gonna have to go this way. We'll tell you about those two leads in a second. And, moving too fast, we got two problems here. First, we didn't apply thermal paste. Thermal paste is a friend. That was goofy. Just did a little bit like so in the middle there. And it'll spread out once you put the CPU on. Remove that bit of tape right there. This, my friends, is... Oh, my bad. This, my friends, is the fun part. Right here. Because now you get to be really goofy and you gotta apply a supreme amount of pressure to this bracket in order to get it down. And you're gonna feel like you're gonna break something, but you're not breaking anything. You're just installing a fan. And again, this is the part where many people get discouraged and be like, nope, I ain't doing this. I'm gonna break something. We will figure a way to tuck this wire somewhere to kind of hide it out of space, and these two wires would be for motherboard control of the CPU light, the CPU fan light, so you can make them do what you want them to do. But because this motherboard does not have that function, we shall Ooh, ooh, ooh. We shall tuck these and save them as far as our cable management deal, and that's where our zip ties come in.